Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today we have a company making some parts. Yes, it seems like a full standalone ECU for the new Nissan Z, or that's their prototype. Anyway, guys, hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. If you're part of the Boost Emotion channel, that means you guys have already hit the like button. Much love, and I appreciate you guys so much. And if you are new to this channel, please watch this video. And if you enjoy this type of content, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification. Anyway, guys, let's go. Let's jump right into it right now. So, I was on Facebook and I noticed that this company called Power Tune Australia, right? Well, I'm pronouncing this right because I'll be messing up my pronunciation now. Okay, don't make fun of me. Power Tune, and they said the entire team here at Power Tune has been working hard lately on an array of new products. The latest one, the Nissan Z Plug-In Ecu. We teased this idea a few days ago, but we couldn't help but share some updates. Wired by Phil has been hard at work designing and 3D printing our prototype case and wiring for our adapter boards. How cool are they? Cool. So, first thing, I like how the car look. As I guys told you when I was building up my own Nissan Z, if I was going to order it, red, red. I'm sorry, blue is dope, but the red looked the best. I don't care what no one says. But anyways, let's continue. And they put some Volks on it. And this is a Motec, pretty much Motec ECU, and some of the wire harnesses and everything that they're just designing for it, right? And it looks really good. And pretty much, just so guys can quickly understand, what is a standalone ECU? Because some of you guys don't know. Should you even care? And I'm gonna quickly go over it. Standalone ECU is pretty much your engine management system, right? Your ECU. And aftermarket companies say, hey, why don't we just make our own ECUs so it can control the car? It's the car's brain. But that's not necessarily something that they do in the Infiniti Nissan platform that much. Maybe in the older years, like Tech and stuff like that, and other companies. I can't even remember right now. But knowing that this car is newer, what is the benefits of going with a standalone ECU? Well, there's way more. First thing, it's wired up like it's an ECU, and it adapts to almost all the different pinouts and different things that control the car. So once they know all the pinouts and how every little wire what it controls, pretty much when you replace it, now you have direct access to whatever that thing controls when it comes to performance. I can't even really spit it off the top of my head all the different things because I think the EcuTech is relatively really good, but there's so much more access that we want in the ECU to deeper and more important things and to every single sensor that just an aftermarket ECU would actually do. Now, usually these units could be $3,000-$4,000, maybe even more. But knowing that this company is working on designing this for the Nissan Z is exciting because stuff like this that's designed for the Z, it's going to trickle down to the Q50 and Q60. Even in some of the comments I've been reading, it was like, "Hey, yo, what about the Q50, the Q60?" It trickles down to these cars too. And knowing that it's kind of dope because it's like the Q50, Q60 set the benchmark for the motor. So everybody who's been tuning, making parts for this car know what it is. Then Nissan says, let's put in our new Nissan Z. So now anybody who's been banging with this community for a while, they already 6 to 7 years ahead. Any new company just now jumping in like, oh, there's a new Nissan Z. Let's make some new parts for it. AMS, Zero Motorsports is like, we've been here for a while, dude. Like, sorry, you have to undercut us. And it is what it is. But just know that there are more parts being made. And when I see this type of attention for this car, it makes me super excited because other companies will continue to follow suit and see that, hey, we want to get more into this car. You saw how the Toyota Supra or the BMW Supra, whatever you want to call it, how it got so much love. It's even to the point that it has the B58 has its own like when you go to certain drag or racing or sports, they have their own like group of cars, their own classes, and it's super dope. So it could be a thing that we might even see the Nissan Z in its own class in the next 2-3 years. All depending on how much they really continue to charge for these cars. We still don't even have our hands on one, you know. But nonetheless, it's super dope that these companies are making this. I don't want to make this video any longer than it really needs to be. So otherwise than that, guys, you already know what to do. Hit me up at boostinmotion.ig, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, continue to support to the channel. I really appreciate you guys for continuing to support. Outside of that, you already know what to do. Hit the like. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel.